Okay, at this time, I want to wish you all Hari Lebaran, Selamat Hari Raya Lebaran, this coming May 23rd, 24th, 25th, if I'm not mistaken, is a 3-day celebration. I know you guys are still fasting right now. It's a holy month, Ramadan month, and I just wish you well and staying safe, and Selamat merayakan Hari Lebaran, Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin, from me and my family to yours. And I really think about you guys in Indonesia, and I really miss Indonesia, and there's a lot of food over there. I know every time when I talk to my mom, and then she's saying that she's cooking this and cooking that, it's like I wish I can taste that. I can smell it from here, by the way. So kawan-kawan, selamat Hari Raya Lebaran, selamat merayakan Hari Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin, from me, Nicky, to you all, from my family to yours. Okay, sampai jumpa, dan hopefully that you guys can visit my, connect with me in my LinkedIn, special in LinkedIn, and also crawl out to my YouTube channel. And I know I put out some fresh content regularly. And if you want to connect with me, do so, because I am, at times do live videos and regularly meet on Tuesday, Thursdays at 5 p.m. Pacific time. I'm not sure what time it is in Jakarta or Indonesia at that time, but I know it's in the morning. But no worries, you can always see the pre-recorded audio or video up in my YouTube channel. All right, Selamat Hari Lebaran, Mohon maaf lahir dan batin, from my family to yours. This is Nicky from California. Thank you all. Terima kasih kawan-kawan. Sampai jumpa.